Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the pound US dollar, like I was saying yesterday, if we get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci retracement level, then why not look for longs? But we definitely don't have that. Notice the lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. There's definitely no break of structure or break of trend to the upside at a Fibonacci level yet. So we need to enjoy this trend and just continue to trade with the trend on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now, obviously. I would be trying to go short at the end of all these little pullbacks that we've been having this week. Those are the places to go short. So as of right now, for me, the strategy is to be patiently waiting for more pullbacks. Maybe put your Fibonacci retracement on there. Once it does start to move up, look for pullbacks, look for Fibonacci bounces, and golfing moves to the downside to go short again for the continuation of this downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.